What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our new 2020 Kia Soul. This one's got the GT line trim, so it's a little sportier than the regular one. We got the red roof on this one. Lots of red details all over this car. Up on the front grille, we got an upgraded GT line front grille. These sweet looking headlights. We also get fog lights on the bottom. Two-tone alloy rims. Get this red strip that goes across the whole entire bottom of the car. And then we get the GT line on back with these sweet looking taillights that wrap all the way around the back part of the car. We also do get a backup camera just over next to the trunk lift. Lots of space in the back. But other than that, let's take a look at the interior. As for the interior of this Kia Soul, we got a leather wrapped steering wheel with the GT line badge just on bottom. It's also flat bottomed. It's got Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. And then over on the left is where you'll find your lane keep, automatic engine start and stop system, as well as your traction control. Over on our infotainment center, we got lots of cool stuff. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will allow you to open up your own personal navigation through your cell phone, as well as your own personal music apps. It also does come with Bluetooth capabilities, FM and AM radios. AC feels great on the inside of this car. All your climate controls are just below your infotainment center. And then we get a USB for audio connection, two 12 volts. And then our drive mode is just over by our gear shifter. That'll display up on the gauge cluster. We get normal and sport mode. But as for the interior, we get a full cloth interior. The seats look awesome. Got this black on gray cloth. The seats are super comfortable. Lots of space everywhere in this car. Overall, a great looking interior. To wrap it up, guys, our new 2020 Kia Soul is in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. It is a one-owner vehicle with just under 9,000 miles. Under the hood, it's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that gets up to 26 miles per gallon in city, 31 on the highway. Comes with awesome features like alloy rims, backup camera. The red detail looks awesome on this car. Having a red roof definitely pops. On the interior, we get that full cloth seating that's super comfortable. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, lane keep. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.